SAP started thinking about needing a customer success platform probably 2 years ago now. We realized that our cloud business was growing very substantially, and we wanted to make sure that we were having the right interaction with our customers to ensure their success. So when that started, that's when we realized we need a platform to support our customer engagement executives around the world who are the key resources that work with our customers post the acquisition of any cloud subscription at SAP. The customer engagement executives that I've spoken to over the last year, really love that they have this, right? Because before we went into our implementation, they were just, it was a catch as catch can as far as trying to find out the information they needed to interact with customers. Customers were frustrated because CEs didn't fully understand their environments and what they were using and the issues they were encountering. So every customer engagement executive I talk to loves the Totango. Because it really helps them do their job much more effectively, look more professional in front of the customer, and also look more responsive, which is really important to us. One of the things that I was really excited about with Totango is their idea of quick time to value. For us, quick implementation, so 6 months, and also, constant improvement in some of the areas that we needed. So, Totango was willing to partner with us and say they would evolve the product to address kinds of the things we were looking for, and those new capabilities would roll out quickly. This monthly, sort of release schedule is great. We don't see any downtime. And what we see is new capability every month, and some of it's significant and some of it is not, but it's allowing us to evolve much more quickly, and it's something we're trying to adopt more and more in our cloud business, because we see it as a really significant best practice. I don't think we could have done what we're doing at Customer First without a customer success platform. We would have had to do something really significantly to be successful, and it would have taken much longer time. So having put the platform in place before we really announced this extensive program here with our new co-CEOs has allowed us to really accelerate that program. One of the things that struck me, and the technology is really the centerpiece of what we're trying to drive here, right? And I think Totango is always continuing to think ahead, like what are the kinds of things that they want to move to, that leverage the very best and very latest technology, which is very appealing to us because we have the same philosophy. So I think it's a nice partnership because philosophically we're in the same place around that. What we can really do today is, just have much more insight into what's going on. We're changing, our philosophy as a company and really accelerating what we're doing around customer success, and we call it Customer First. And I think just having the insight in what's going on with our customers at a detailed level, that's something we just didn't have the insight to, or the transactional capability to respond to it, and it's really changing the game for us. So, and it's allowed us to make a lot of other changes in the business that we otherwise couldn't have. So it's been a fantastic platform to help us really evolve as a company. Financially, our renewals are up. Our cloud business is north now of $7 billion run rate. We continue to see extensive growth year over year around the cloud. And look, the software business is a reference business. So if customers aren't happy, they'll speak out and it'll affect your bottom line. But if you have the right tools, the right technology, the right engagement, the right customer success metrics, and people, you can drive more growth, and that's what we're seeing, and Totango's part of that whole equation.